I play cricket.
I played cricket.
He play basketball.
He played basketball.
He play volleyball.
He played volleyball.
He went to shop.
Out. Go. Nice. Amrita. Senior, junior or? Yes. Junior, senior. Here. Okay, start.
I play football.
I played football.
Wait a minute.
I play football.
I played football.
Loudly.
I play football.
I played football.
I plant a tree.
I planted trees.
I drink water.
I drank water.
Out. Hi. Okay, you want a simple pasta? Okay, no problem. Nothing is easy. You are thinking like that. That's it. Okay, start.
I go to market.
I went to market.
I go to school.
I went to school.
I cut the cake.
I cut the cake.
I eat food.
I ate food.
I go to market.
I went to market.
Time out. Next. Go.
I play basketball.
I played basketball.
I play football.
I played football.
I play cricket.
I played cricket.
I play badminton.
I played badminton.
I play hide and seek.
I played hide and seek.
I cook the Maggie.
I cooked. Sir, pass, sir.
Out. Next. I'll finish girls first. Start.
I absorb the notice.
I observed the notice.
I play cricket.
I played cricket.
I add sums.
I added sums.
I eat food.
I ate
You
food.
can use other subjects also. Living, I, we, he, she, it, they, we, you.
He goes to market.
He went to market.
He
Tell negative sentence. He doesn't go.
doesn't go
He
market.
didn't go to market.
She doesn't. He doesn't.
Doesn't.
He does not.
He does not go to.
He does not go to market.
He does not go to market.
He didn't go to market.
She cooked Maggie. She cooked Maggie.
No. She cooks Maggie, you should have told. Okay, fine. Next, Aradhya. Come on. Beat her.
I play cricket.
I played cricket.
I sing a song.
I sang a song.
I dance.
I danced.
I plant tree.
I planted trees.
Go slow. Both of you go slow. Doing good, but go slow.
I read book.
I read book.
I write a letter.
I wrote a letter.
I add sums.
I added sums.
I accept gift.
I accepted gifts.
I beat him.
I bet him.
I beat him.
I beat him.
I bet him.
Stay closer. Aradhya.
She wear bangles.
She weared bangles.
She wears bangle.
She wears.
Both are put all wrong answer. Both are framed wrong.
Yes, sir.
She wears bangle. You should
She
have told.
wore bangle.
And
I
you
should have told.
told she wore bangle. Okay, anyhow, no problem. Be there only. Next. Yes, Amrita, you told you will take a simple past. Okay, come this time. As she desired. Start.
I go to school. I go to school.
I went to school.
I plant trees.
Amrita, don't put hands, man. Don't tell about that.
I go to school.
I went to school.
I plant trees.
I planted.
I planted trees. Don't see me, see each other.
She wears bangle.
She
Wears bangle.
wore bangles.
She wears dress. She wears dress.
She wore dress.
She play cricket. She plays cricket.
Place out. She plays cricket. Okay, I'll come. I'll come next time. Illa, simple past about me. Okay, that's one. Okay. Amrita sings a song. Amrita sings a song.
Amrita sang a song.
Yes. Aditya sings a song.
Aditya sang a song.
Vaishnavi plays cricket.
Vaishnavi played cricket.
Ayat sings a song.
Ayat sang a song.
Yes. They play cricket.
They played cricket.
They don't play cricket.
They didn't.
Out. You should have told they did not play cricket. Yes. I play cricket.
I played cricket.
They don't play cricket.
They didn't play cricket.
Yes. She doesn't play cricket.
She didn't play cricket.
Yes. She doesn't go to school.
She didn't go to school.
She puts on dress.
She put on dress.
She puts on dress.
She put on dress.
Yes, very good. She doesn't put on dress.
She didn't put on dress.
She goes to market.
She went to market.
She plays piano.
She played piano.
She plays the piano.
She played the piano.
Yes. I don't go to school.
I didn't go to school.
I sing a song.